The Met Museum is like a giant food court to some bugs. So the Met's pest management team has to kick them out to stop them from gobbling up all the art. But when they can't eat at the museum, where else do bugs eat? The kinds of materials that bugs munch on in museums, like paper and wood, are actually all around us, in our homes, in our yards, in our neighborhoods. So in this experiment, we'll learn how to make a field guide to help us identify bugs and their snacking spots in our own surroundings. To create your field guide, you'll need paper, a hole puncher, a shoelace, a pencil, and whatever decorating materials you'd like. First, fold at least 5 sheets of paper in half, hamburger style. Punch 1 hole on the edge of your folded paper. Sew your shoelace through the hole, tie a knot, and decorate. Now, with your new guide, step outside to search your neighborhood for creepy crawlers. Start by looking for clues that a hungry bug may have left behind, like a half-eaten leaf or a holey branch. Imagine what kind of bug could have done this damage. What kind of teeth did it have? Do you think just one bug did it, or many? If you look around closely for signs like these, you're sure to find a bug. Use your field guide to draw what you see and write down any interesting details. With enough detective work, you'll soon have a book full of bugs. A notebook can be one of a scientist's greatest tools for making all kinds of discoveries. You can keep using yours for other experiments too, so keep it close.